for the students some of the things we did discuss. Once again, I can discuss. This is called ellipse. X-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. Good evening, Anusha Embad. This is origin. This is called focus. F1, F2. Okay. The equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Focus is plus or minus a comma 0. This is called major axis. Major axis. Length of major axis 2a. And this is called minor axis. Minor axis. Length of minor axis is equal to 2b. Next one. Length of foci. One foci to one focus to another focus length. This length is c. This length is c. Plus or minus c comma 0 focus. So 2c. This is called axis, where this point is called axis. Write all these formulas. And we have one formula. I can write that also. A square is equal to b square plus c square. From this c square equal to a square minus b square. C is equal to root of a square minus b square. This is the formula for finding C. This is called vertex a comma 0. Vertex plus or minus a comma 0. Focus is plus or minus c comma 0. Understand? Right. Do it, everyone. Completed. Next one. Can I rub this one, everyone? Okay, right, surely, no problem. Right. Very less students are coming. I'm not understanding whether you can continue the class or not. So if you say we will stop the class, we'll stop. After exam, we can continue. Or we'll continue up to Sunday, we'll continue. But you decide and say today, okay? because still 1 week is there for exam. So if you want to stop, sir, after exam will come, okay. No, sir, after up to Sunday you can continue. From Sunday onwards we won't come in. That's also your wish. Please confirm and finalize, okay? That's what I was. Now suppose the ellipse is like this on y-axis. Then what are the formulas in the origin? X square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Focus is 0 comma plus or minus c. Vertex is 0 comma plus or minus c. A square equal to b square plus c square common. C is equal to root of a square and b square also common. That is no change. Okay. Length of lattice rectum. 4b square by a. Even in x-axis or in y-axis also, length of lattice rectum 4b square by a. Okay. No, y square by a square we consider. No, that means vertex is always plus or minus a only. 0 comma. No change. Last 10-15 minutes we will discuss regarding the the solution of inverse trigonometry. Okay, just remind me. You see equations are na equation I wrote y square by a square now. So this is 0 comma a. This is 0 comma minus a. So vertex 0 comma plus or minus a only. No change. Don't confuse. Okay. It is on y-axis. Pratik Shawar, you after a long time I think you came. Length of lattice rectum 2b square by a. Correct. I wrote 4. 2b square by a. How are you, Pratiksha? After a long time. Okay. Now you are okay. Fine. Good. Can anyone start writing the test, mock test? Can you give any review? Sujan, boys or girls? Bhavana? You wrote any test, Bhavana? How is it? Physics you wrote, okay. How many marks you got? It was good, very good. Oh, very good, Pratiksha. 32 you got, very good. Monisha, I'll give today. I think it came, but I didn't see the mobile WhatsApp. I am busy in the meeting afternoon. After finishing all the class only, I will see complete mobile. That too, Vishut messaged me regarding the inverse trigonometry That's why I remember just immediately I sent the message, I went to meeting. No lunch also today, I didn't finish. Breakfast also I do. Complete busy. You also wrote, how many marks you got? Archana, how is the test? And after finishing test, are you getting the result also? That means a solution. Shall we start the problems on this? One more formula is that is called eccentricity. 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 E is equal to C by A. Good, Archana. Initially, I said no, you will read only 40, 45 questions. You can attend only 35 questions. You can get 30 marks like that. Yeah. But good. Now will you increase your confidence every day. Okay. Everyone you take, I suggest everyone because only 25 members, 30 members. I paid for 100 members almost. With my money, I paid it. Slowly, everyone you said you will take. No. So take it slowly, everyone. You can rotate your phone horizontally, no? Maybe. You can download app and you can write. You will get it nicely. There only they are given one link. No, that is app link. You can download and you can write. Complete everyone. Can I move to the next one? No, Bhavan, I said you can download the app, PK app, then you can write in that. Both are same. We'll start the problems, dear students. Write one question. I want. So I will give one questions to you, but you can solve and you can say some of the values. Okay. Find foci, vertices, length of major axis, length of minor axis, eccentricity, length of letter sector. These are all you can find for this. I can give one question. First question: x square by 36 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. What are the things you need to find? Foci, vertices, length of major axis, length of minor axis, eccentricity, length of letter sector. Dear students, first you can write A. A square 36, A is 6. Okay.
Mama?
B square is 16, B is 4. Can you find the values? One second. Give. Wi-Fi connect on. You need to find C value, no? C is root of A square minus B square. Root of 36 minus 16. Root 20. Root 20 means can I write 2 root 5? 4 5 is 20, no? Two minutes. My father birthday today. He's cutting the cake. You can continue the problem. Thank you, Lavan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Tata. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you, dear. May God bless you, Grandpa. May God bless you, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you.
జోరుగా పెద్ద చెప్పు.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Tata. Happy birthday to you.
I am also watching in phone only.
May God bless you, Grandpa. Naku Tata. Tata naku.
How it will come in phone? Daddy, happy birthday.
నాన్నకి నాకు పెట్టవా తాత?
ఇక్కడ మా స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే విషెస్ కన్వే చేయమంటున్నారు. మోర్ దెన్ 60-70 స్టూడెంట్స్.
హలో.
ఓ థ్యాంక్ యూ డాడీ. ఇగో తాత పెడుతున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. నేను క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా. సరే బాయ్. Sorry for the disturbance. Thank you your wishes, all of you. Thank you very much. Cake namge illa. I am taking through mobile cake. Oh Bhavana, thank you. Namdu 29th August, man. Rajal. Thank you. Morning, you know how I visited my father? From here I booked the Swiggy, sweets and cake. It was reached my home. After bell rang, I called to my father. They opened the door, Swiggy given sweets. I said, happy birthday, father. Like that. His age is 75. Yeah, surprise. This is the first time he is celebrating there in Vijayawada native. Every time he will come to here. Come back to our question. C we got, A we got, B we got. Foci formula plus or minus c comma 0. So plus or minus 2 root 5 comma 0. Vertices plus or minus a comma 0. So 6 comma 0. Length of major axis 2a, 2 6 are 12. Length of minor axis. Oh, super. 2 4s are 8. Eccentricity c by a, 2 root 5 by 6. That means root 5 by 3. Next, length of latest rectum, 2b square by a. What is b square? 16 by a means 6. That means 16 by 3. I don't got exactly all the values, dear students. Oh, Aishwarya, nice. Ridiksha, what is August 8th? I didn't get it. Your birthday. Can I move to next question? Yes. Write one more question in this manner. You can find the same values, but I can give the equation like this, dear students. X square by 4 plus y square by 25 equal to 1. Dear students, if y square by more number is there, means it is on y axis. That you can remember. Essence it is c by a. 2b square by a is length of letter sectum. Okay. Who is Lilith in our class? Lilith. So a square always you can consider the big value 25, b square is small value 4, a is 5, b is 2, c is root of a square minus b square 25 minus 1, 21 directly. Foci 0 comma plus or minus c because it is on y axis now. Vertex 0 comma plus or minus a 5. Length of major axis 2a 2 5s are 10. Length of minor axis. Now minor become major, major become minor now because it is on this one now. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Next one. Next what is eccentricity? C by a. What is c? Root 21 by 5. Length of letter sectum LLR. This is the formula. 2b square by a. What is b square? 4 by a 5. 8 by 5. Correct now everyone? Understand? Is it clear what I am explaining to you? Everyone? Following everyone? Yes, good. Right? Right everyone? Next question I can give. Very fast. Can you try the next question, everyone? X square by 16 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Find out all. Previous question, length of major axis 10 only. Always length of major axis 2a only. Okay. If it is x axis, y axis 2a only. Okay. 2 5s are 10. Previous question. Length of major axis. Length of minor axis 2b. 2 2s are 4. Okay. Previous question I'm telling. Even it is on x axis or y, because we consider a always no 2a major axis, 2b minor axis. That is formulas are same. No change of formulas. Okay. That's fine now, Sana. No ulta, 2a square may be correct. Formulas won't change. All formulas are changed. Okay, same as it is. When it will change, you know, when you are changing the a and b, both are, okay. If x square by a square, y square by b square equal to 1, that time it will change, okay. No confusion. I wrote the formula. Big one I consider as a square, then no change in formulas, okay. Next question. Lilith. What's your doubt, Mr. Lilith? Tell me, Lilith. Why you raise your hand, Mr. Lilith? Lilith, tell me. Hello? By mistake. A square 4, B square 9. A is 2, B is 3. Directrix it won't possible here. It is only for formula for length of letter section 2b square by A. C is root of A square minus A square minus B square. So A is 16 now. 16 means 4. 16 minus 9. Root 7. Focus. It is on x-axis now. Plus or minus root 7 comma 0. Vertex. Plus or minus A comma 0. A means 4 comma 0. Length of major axis. 2A. 2 4 8. Length of minor axis. These are 6. Eccentricity C by A. Length of letter section 2b square by A. 2 into what is B square 9. Lilith. 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 Likit. Likit. Likit we are. ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಸ್ವಂತ ಕಿವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಕಿವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು No, sometimes they can give 5. About root 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We cannot predict every time they can give perfect square. Okay. Yeah, I can give many questions. Don't worry, my dear students. All the stuff is with me only. Don't worry. I can give one more question for you. Right. X square by 25 plus previous model. Y square by 100 is equal to 1. Y square by more number is there means it is called y axis. Y square by more number means it is on y axis. Okay.
అది కూడా తెలియదు.
Okay, Nitya, correct. I want that phone. I am taking class. That is college phone. You can keep it here. A square is 100, A is 10, B square is 25,
Number
B is 5. Bring that phone down. Root 75, fast. 25 threes, sir. Correct, huh? 75 means 25 threes. 5 root 3, correct. Adoddu తీసుకో. Focus 0 comma plus or minus 5 root 3. Vertex 0 comma plus or minus 10. Length of major axis. Chell ekkada undi 2 tens are 20. Chell length of mind axis 2 5s are 10. Eccentricity C by A 5 root 3 by 10. Root 3 by 2. Length of lattice rectum, my dear students. What is the length of lattice rectum? 2b square by A 25 by 10. 2 5 times 5 5 times 5. Correct, huh? Exactly correct. Can I move to the next question in this model, all of you? Yes or no, everyone? Yes. X square by 49 plus y square by 36 is equal to 1. Fast. Today up to 8 we'll discuss this chapter only in different models. We have many questions in this model, in this chapter. Do it fast. A square is 7. X square by more number means it is on x-axis. A square is equal to 49. A is 7. B square is equal to 36. B is 6. C is root of A square minus B square. That means 49 minus 36. Root 13. Correct. Focus. Plus or minus root 13 comma 0. Vertex. Plus or minus 7 comma 0. Directrix. Length of major axis. Anita, you go and sit there outside. Switch off that one. My face is not visible to here. 2 7s are 14. Length of mind axis. 2 6 are 12. Eccentricity C by A, root 13 by 7. Length of lattice rectum 2b square by A. (72 by 7). Correct, everyone? Yes or no? Can I give one more question? Yes, good. Next question. X square by 100 plus y square by 400. Do it fast. X square by 100 plus y square by 400. Do it fast. A square is 100, A is 10. B is 20. C is 400 minus 100, 300 root. 10 root 3. Okay. Next. Rakshita, you raise your hand. Any doubt? Tell me, Rakshita.
Sir, you said larger number is A.
Oh, it's considered wrong, sorry. That's what. But subtraction I did correct. Huh? A square is 400, A is 20, B square is 100, B is 10. Subtraction correct. Thank you, Rakshita. Focus plus or minus. It is y, no? 0, comma plus or minus 10 root 3. Vertex 0, comma plus or minus 20. Length of major axis 2 20s are 40. Length of minor axis 2 10s are 20. Many questions, if you do only, will get correct exactly. You'll remember. Others will forget very fast. C by A. 10 root 3 by 20. Root 3 by 2. Correct. Length of latest rectum 2b square by A. 0 0 2 2. 10 10 10 10. 10. Super, my dear students, everyone following very nicely. Wonderful, awesome, mind-blowing, superb listening. Can I give one more question in a different way? It's not exact. Everyone, can I give next question? Everyone, are you following? Can I give next question? You can, can I? Yes, everyone. I can. Next question, everyone. Now your time to start. 36x square plus 4y square is equal to 144. My dear student, they didn't give it in a proper way. You can convert into proper form of x square by a square plus y square by b square form. Everyone, you can find a square, b square, find c square, find c, substitute vertices, focus, length of major axis, minor axis, eccentricity, and the length of latest rectum. Everyone you can find. It's time to use all answers. Everyone, fast. You can have some time. Everyone, you can do it in your words. Everyone, fast. Who will say first answer? One more question free. Everyone. Question I wrote on board. 36x square plus 4y square equal to. I hope. Question is visible to everyone. Yes or no? Everyone. Question is visible. Yes or. X square by 9 plus y square by 36 is 1. It is on y-axis, dear students. A square is 36, A is 6. B square is 9, B is 3. C is root of 36 minus 9, 25. 27. 3 root 3. Now, Sudhir, the value of 3 root 3, my dear student. What's your doubt, Vishnu?
Sir, 36 into 4 is 144, sir.
Correct only.
What did it written 9?
Oh, here I wrote 9. Huh? Correct. This is 4, correct. 32, correct. 4b2. C is root of 36 minus 4 root 30. Root 32, how can I add 16 twos are 4 root 2? Focus plus 0 comma plus or minus 4 root 2, correct. Vertex 0 comma plus or minus 6. Length of major axis 2a, 2 2 2 6 are 12. Length of minor axis. 2 to the 4. Eccentricity C by A. What is C? What is C? 4 root 2 by 6. 2 root 2 by 3. Length of latus rectum, dear student, 2b square by what is b square? 4 by what is a6? 12, 12, 12, 12, 8 by 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is the right answer. Exactly. Perfect. Super. Mind blowing. Awesome, everyone. Everyone is following nicely the questions today. Can I move to the next question? Yes, 100% I can give the next question this model. 16x square plus y square is equal to 16, my dear student. Do it fast, everyone. On your words, everyone do it. बेटी मेरा मोबाइल कहाँ है? आपके पास है? आपके पास क्या है? मोबाइल, मेरा मोबाइल। क्या काम करते हैं? YouTube में वीडियोस देखते हैं? Yes, yes, dear student. Divide both sides with 1 plus y square by 16 is 1. A square is 16. B square is 1. First, we can think it is on x-axis or y-axis. It is on which axis? It is on y-axis. 16 minus on root 15. Focus 0, plus or minus root 15. Vertex 0, plus or minus 4. Correct, Rakesh. Wonderful, Rakesh. Length of major axis 2 4s are 8. Length of minor axis 2 1s are 2. Eccentricity C by A. What is C? What is C minus 1 root 15 by A? A means 4. Length of lattice rectum 2b square by A. What is b square? 1 by A means 4. 1 by 2. Perfect, Shreya. Correct, Rakesh. I hope everyone following very nicely the questions and answers. Yes or no? Yes, good. Next question. Yes, next question. 4x square plus 9. This model last question. 36. Do it, everyone. 4x square plus 9y square equal to 36. X square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1, dear students. A square is... Hello? 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 What is the answer, everyone? B square is 4, B is 2. Okay. C is equal to root of 9 minus 4, root 5. Correct, Nitya? Got everyone answer? Focus is how much? Plus or minus 3, 0. root 5 comma 0, vertex plus or minus 3 comma 0, length of major axis 2a, 2 3s are 6, length of minor axis 2 2s are 4, eccentricity c by a root 5 by 3, length of lattice rectum 2b square by a, 2 into b square, 4 by a means 3, 8 by 3. Understand? That's it, my dear students. Yes, sir. I'll give one more question, my dear students. Now you can find a equation. They can give the condition. Okay. Right question? Find the equation of ellipse. Find the equation of ellipse. Vertices is plus or minus 5 comma 0. Focus is plus or minus 4 comma 0. Whenever they given plus or minus means the equation immediately you can write is in the form of x square by a square plus y square by b square is 1. What is given? A given. Vertex means a no 5. C given 4. B square equal to a square minus c square. A square plus b square equal to c square, no. So a square minus c square equal to b square. 25 minus 16. B square is 9. Then the foreign answer x square by a square means 25 plus y square by b square means 9 is equal to 1. Understand? Understood everyone? This one, lizard. Lizard will make noise like that. Don't worry. Okay. Complete everyone? Everyone understood? Can I give 2-3 questions on the same model? Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. First question I can give what is as 0 comma plus or minus 13. Focus 0 comma plus or minus 5. Second question I can give what is as plus or minus 6 comma 0. Focus plus or minus 4 comma 0. Third one I can give focus plus or minus 3 comma 0. Directly A is 4. Question number 4 I can give B is 3, C is 4. Foci on x-axis. Question number 5 I can give like this. Ends of major axis 0 comma plus or minus root 5 comma ends of minor axis plus or minus 1 comma 0. Okay, like this they given question. Should cost ಮಾಡಿದೆ. If anyone enter means you can add them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't say anyone any answer. First you find all the answers. We'll discuss at a time answers. I'll ask. Okay. Yes, Monisha, correct. Monisha, message me after the class. I can give the password ID. Sorry for late, amma. ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ busy ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಪ ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗೋ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. See, sir came, I think. Sir came also. ఏదో కాదు. వెళ్ళి తీసుకురా, కిందకెళ్ళి రమ్మని తీసుకురా. Once again, continue. Everyone got all the answer or still you are trying? Okay, try everyone. Length of major axis 26. Foci plus or minus 5 comma 0. Seventh one. Length of minor axis is equal to సరే నమ్మ లోపలికి తీసుకురా 16 సరే లోపలికి తీసుకురా 0 plus or minus 6. Do it fast, all these questions. Try all these questions. Two minutes, I will be back. Meanwhile, you can try remaining questions. All the questions you can try, everyone. Dear students, complete all the questions. Everyone got the answer? Any doubts? Sorry for the disturbance. I have some meeting with the faculties. So, can I continue tomorrow morning? Okay. Whatever doubt you ask tomorrow morning, okay? I'll wind up the class now. Okay. Don't mind. I forgot.